Hey everyone, I just wanted to take some time to answer your questions that you've been asking. And first of all, thanks so much for feeling comfortable coming to me. And just know you aren't the only one asking questions like this. So for sure, you can keep them coming and I will do my part to answer them for everyone in this video message so that it's convenient. So, one of the questions is about getting distributors. So you say that you have the loyal customers, which is awesome because that's needed to complete step 2 of the 3 steps to success. So congratulations, first of all, on being able to gather your loyal customers. And now you're saying your focus is now on gathering the distributors to complete step 3. So, you can have the people who attend your party to host their own as well, because they will want to experience that wrap again and they will get to for free at their party, or just asking other people that you know. So I would recommend creating a hundreds list right away, and you can even print this off from the documents in our eSuite document library. Or, just start going through your friends list and your phone list and writing out people who you can ask to simply have a party. And so my first thought is when people have agreed that they will have a spa night, or they're going to have a wrap party with their girlfriends or guy friends, is that I am going over to train them. And they just don't know it yet, but I'm going to treat it like a training because I want everyone to see how easy it is and, just what kind of environment and service we provide. So I act like, I get the host involved, she's collecting the money and she's handing the friends her wraps, so she's already, part of the business without quite knowing it yet. And, I think this person has invited me into their home and they want me to meet their friends, and their friends are coming over because they want to know more about the products and the opportunity. So I'm going to make sure I show them just what great service, we provide, and just show them how easy it is to duplicate this business. So I'm already going in thinking I'm training the people who are there, and I like to treat it as such. And otherwise, it's a lot of just planting seeds with people that they need to see things a few times over, sometimes 6, 7, 10 times, until they finally agree that maybe now's the right time to try the product for them. So just remember, every no still means progress. It's just that that person is getting closer now to saying a yes. So don't give up on anybody, don't discount anyone. Think of how you started as well, maybe how long you were introduced to it at first until you decided to try it, and then until you decided maybe to sign up after that. Maybe you were a customer at first as well. So you can definitely ask your current loyal customers to see if they would like to join in on the opportunity, or if they just want to continue using the product. And it's okay whatever their answer is, because we need both. We need customers too. So, just keep living the lifestyle on Facebook. Keep posting about your Wrap Cash. Keep actually even explaining what your Wrap Cash is paying for, because people want to see that you're going to be in it for the long haul and that they can trust you. So the business really is about building a trusting relationship and making connections, building that foundation before people join in. So it can take time. I know we are so used to getting things when we want and whatever we want, again, like I said, when we want it. And, this actually is something that requires patience and understanding. So just keep going. You're doing awesome. Keep planting the seeds. Keep talking to people, sharing your story, sharing customer results, because I know for me that's really fulfilling too. And people can see that I'm consistent with it, so then they come around. But basically it comes down to ask people to have a party, treat it like their very first launch party, their training, and just keep going and just ask them whether the choice for them is to be a customer or a distributor. I hope that helps, and I will get to the next question in the next video.